Hi, I'm Amanda, esthetician with TIZO Skincare. Today, I'm demonstrating how to apply our TIZO AHA Retinol Peel System. Cleanse and prepare the skin with TIZO Foaming Cleanser. It is gentle enough for all skin types while balancing the skin's pH and removing any products and excess oils without drying the skin. Pour out the desired amount of the lactic mandelic acid blend and apply with a fan brush over the entire face and neck, avoiding contact with the eyes and lips. You may layer the peel if needed. Leave the peel on the skin for 3 to 5 minutes. I like to use a hand fan to ease any mild discomfort the client may experience during this process. The peel must be neutralized. If desired, you may rinse gently with water beforehand. Spray the skin with our TIZO neutralizing mist. You will see slight bubbling. Once the bubbling ceases, the skin is fully neutralized. You may need to spray the skin more than once. Once the skin is fully neutralized, remove with cool water. Apply TIZO's 10% retinol blend to the entire face and neck. This time-released retinol blend can be left on the skin for up to 8 hours for a more dramatic peel. Peeling will be mild and will begin within 24 to 48 hours. Peeling should last 7 to 9 days without any downtime. Allow the 10% retinol blend to dry, and then apply TIZO Ultra Zinc non-tinted SPF 40 to the entire area. Formulated with 20% zinc oxide, TIZO Ultra Zinc is great for post-peel. The client should continue use throughout the peeling process. Your client will experience brighter, more radiant skin, a more even skin tone and texture, and reduced signs of photo damage and acne.